Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. I'm excited to share a fascinating observation I made about a pair of scaly breasted Munias in our garden. One sunny afternoon, I witnessed these birds discovering a bird path, but they didn't immediately start using it. Instead, they approached cautiously as if sensing a potential threat. The hesitation was palpable, and I wondered what was holding them back. Then, in a flash of creativity, they fetched a leaf from an Areca nut tree and gently placed it in the bird path. It was as if they were testing the waters literally. They observed the leaf's movement, seemingly gauging the water's depth. Satisfied with the investigation, they began to bathe, using the leaf as a makeshift testing stick. Their resourcefulness and problem solving skills left me amazed. From the next day on, they confidently used the bird bath without the leaf, as if they had deemed it safe and suitable for their needs. This charming episode reminded me of the Tamil proverb, Aram Theriyamal Kale Vidade, which translates to measure the depth of the water before jumping in. The Munias had demonstrated this wisdom perfectly, checking the depth of the bird bath before using it. What a wonderful example of nature's ingenuity. As I watched these birds, I realized that there's a lot to learn from their behavior, their curiosity, creativity, and caution. They remind us to be mindful, to explore, and to adapt. By observing and learning from them, we can appreciate the beauty and wisdom that surrounds us in the natural world. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.